In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add advertisements to your YouTube channel. Now this will be a full guide explaining everything that you need to know, so stick around. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to your channel icon in the top right hand corner and then go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. Now that will take you inside of your studio dashboard, and from here you want to then go to content, and here you'll see all of your YouTube videos you've uploaded to YouTube. Now if you look here on the monetization tab, for me, all of my videos, monetization has been turned on, which means advertisements will play on my channel. Now, if you're not monetized yet, I'm just going to briefly show you what that will look like, what you need to achieve to be able to get monetized, and then I'll show you how to turn advertisements on. So here I am in a channel that I own, which is my personal channel, which isn't actually monetized. So for you, what you need to do if you're not monetized yet, you want to go ahead and scroll down, which you're on your YouTube dashboard, to the earn section, and once you're on the earn section, it will then give you some details on how you can start earning money. So if you scroll down here, you'll see eligibility. So you need to have at least 500 subscribers and you need to have at least 3 video uploads in the last 90 days. You also need 3,000 hours watched or 3 million public short views. So you need to go ahead and reach those goals before you can even place any advertisements on your channel. But don't worry, the amount of money that you'll make from 0 to 3,000 hours watched really isn't a lot anyway, so you need to just be focused on making good videos, and you'll hit that and you'll be able to monetize your channel eventually. If you want to get notified when you do hit that, click this button and they'll send you an email. So when you first get monetized, all of your videos are going to be turned off for monetization. What you want to do is go to your YouTube Studio again, go into content, and then select all of your videos. And you can see it's selected all of them on this page, but you want to select all of them, which is going to be obviously all of your videos you've ever uploaded. Then go to more actions or edit, then go to monetization, and you just want to turn this on, and that's going to turn monetization on for all of your videos. That way you're going to start earning money for all of your videos. Now you can go ahead and check monetization on individual videos, and if a video is over 8 minutes long, you can add multiple ads. So here's a video of mine which is 12 minutes long. To add multiple ads, you want to go to the details section, then go into the editor. And once you're inside of the editor, you can then go ahead and add advertisement breaks. So this here is an advertisement break. To go ahead and add an ad break, you want to scroll down here and you'll see ad break. If you click edit, you can then go ahead and choose wherever you want on the timeline, click add ad break, and it's going to add an advertisement. Now every ad that you add to this timeline, it doesn't mean that this is necessarily going to show an advertisement to everyone. YouTube shows these ads randomly, they just show them at these suggested times that you've gave YouTube. But it is fact that adding more advertisement breaks in a 12-minute video is going to earn you more money. But don't go and spam advertisements, otherwise it will bring your watch time down and YouTube won't push your video to as many people. That's pretty much all you need to know about advertisements on YouTube. I hope that quick video did help you out.